To begin creating your book covers, start by opening the GNU Image Manipulation Program, or GIMP for short. Go to the File menu and choose New. In the Create a New Image window, select the Width box and change the value to 1600. Then select the Height box and change that value to 2400. Then click OK. Go to the Windows menu, choose Dockable Dialogs, and then select Layers to ensure that the Layers panel is visible on the screen. If you are new to image editing, you can think of layers as a stack of papers. By default, your image is like one piece of paper and it has a layer called background. As you add layers to the image, you can think of that as adding individual pieces of paper to the stack.